Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona, and I'm also the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And today I want to talk about a situation I read about a girl in Florida who was 12 years old and who killed herself because she was being cyberbullied. According to the reports, there are up to 15 people involved who are bullying her, and they were sending her messages for a year. Messages like, why don't you go kill yourself? And guess what she did? And I have such a hard time with these situations because these deaths are completely preventable. This girl did not have to die. And I look at the situation and I go, okay, how do we prevent it? And I think the real issue is teaching empathy, because I don't think these young people understand the impact of their words. And they get into like that, social circle group think, let's pick on the weakest link. And they don't realize how harmful their words are. And when it's one thing to happen on the school playground where, at the end of the day, you get to go home. But now, thanks to technology, victims have trouble getting away from their bullies. And, if you're in that situation, the best thing I can suggest is cut off the bully's access to you. If it's happening on social media, consider deleting that account. I know you like Facebook, but it's not worth it if it's going to lead to your death. If it's happening over text messages, get a new number and don't give it out to people. From what I've read, it's really hard for young people to resist the need to know what other people are saying about them. But if it's going to lead to you killing yourself, just don't put yourself in that situation. And if you're being bullied at school, do what you have to do to get out of there. Change schools, go to an online school. If you are old enough to legally drop out of school, I'm a huge advocate of education, but I'm also an advocate of people not killing themselves. So if your school is not protecting you, get out of there, drop out, get your GED, and move on with your life. Get a job, go to college. For those of you who aren't old enough, change schools. It's not worth it if your life is literally at risk, like it happened with this girl. So these situations make me so angry and so sad because this death was preventable. So if you are being bullied, please, do what you have to do to protect yourself. Get help. Find an advocate and an ally. Consider talking with the police or an attorney if the people who are in charge of protecting you aren't doing their job. So that's all I have to say for now. Please be safe out there. Be good to each other. And remember, they say sticks and stones may break your bones, but words will fucking kill you. Talk to you later.